Okay guys, in this video tutorial we will learn about how to make the flasher or blinker of LEDs with the help of two transistors inside the proteus. So for it, first of all, we need two BC547 transistors. Just write BC547 NPN transistors, and you can select these two transistors here. Okay, right click on the first transistor and click on X mirror. It will just rotate it out. Now join the emitters of both the transistors. Then take ground and use to connect these two emitters with the ground. Now we need to take two resistors. Just write 330R and it will give us a 0.6 watt 330 ohms resistor. Then click on first resistor 2 and click on rotate clockwise. Also click on R1 and click rotate clockwise. Okay. Okay, now also take two green LEDs. Click OK and attach the LEDs with the 330 ohm resistors. This R1 and R2 are the current limiting resistor because LED cannot pass a heavy amount of current. So these 330 ohm or 220 or even 470 ohms resistors are oftenly used for to limit the current for these LEDs. Also attach the negative part of the LEDs with the collector of the transistor. Do the same for this Q1. Now join R1 and R2 resistors. Now we need 247 microfarad capacitor, so you can take any one you want. Just place them here, connect it with the source of the collector of the transistor, and the other side must be connected with the base of the other transistor. Same will be repeated for this capacitor. Now take two 3 kilo ohm resistors. You can change their values to like 3K and this also to 3K. Now attach these 3K with each other and also with this terminal of the capacitor. Now we need to take one part active. That is actually the potentiometer. So this potentiometer must be placed here, and one part to this 3K and 3K mid joint, and also the wiper of the potentiometer to this common node. Attach, sorry, attach this part to this part. Okay, now double click on this, right click on this potentiometer and go to edit properties, and right here 40K. Now our circuit is completed except with the supply, that is we have given now 9 volt to it. Now we will run this circuit, and we can see that both the LEDs are flashing, and now we can change their flashing speed with the help of this potentiometer. And why it is so? Because when we change the resistance, so time constant will be changed, because we know that time is equal to RC, time constant is equal to RC. Because more is the resistance, more it takes time to discharge the capacitor. So less will be the R, less will be the time, and more will be the R, more will be the discharging time. So hopefully you got the concept. The downloading link is given in the description for this proteus file. You can download it and can make some bit changes if you want. So thanks for watching this video tutorial.